Welcome back to Thuga TV. People, you don't know, so this is a brand new movie. And I big up Papa if you film the movie for me, you know. So my foot mash up, as I did say in the last movie, if you know watch it. So, big up Papa if you film the movie for me. You know, you go and as I said before in the previous movie, them. You should go over to Shanice Lifestyle and subscribe. You see me, link go there in the description. You see me? So watch the movie at the end to the Father's Day. Big up all our fathers them as myself here. You see me? Big up all our fathers them. They are the right thing. Stay born with the daughter or the son's side. You see me? Big up on yourself. Me there go and try to put in the work same man. You see me? Remember, if you can help me out in any way, you contact the number up on the screen. You see me? If you can help me out. You see it? So, big up on yourself. Heart of love as usual. Thuga sister.
Bro, now go.
What do I?
No, I do nothing. How you go?
Come and talk to you about yours.
You want to talk to me, say?
I feel like it's that time for me come over the yard and cook, wash, clean, and rake up here and do things here because I must have my 18th birthday gone one weekend. So I feel like a time we can come move in now. We can live out of my yard, you know.
No, man. I feel like I cannot turn your yard, man. You don't have to move in so early, man. But you're just 18 and not even like you're 19 yet. Worse, not even 20 yet. You don't make no sense to move in so early, man.
So why you don't want me move in?
I don't say I don't want you move in, but me I said turn your yard a little bit, man. You don't think so?
No, me not think so.
What make?
Me think that time for moving me at 18 now time for me move in.
Wait till you're 18 and a half. You don't have to move in so early, man. I say you're not even...
Ramping?
No, but... You know...
Ramping. How you do? You have something over here to hide?
No.
You have something over there to hide?
You have to hide.
Move, let me go look.
What you over me to hide?
Me go
girl.
Look. Me go look.
No, girl.
Oh, pull the door.
What do you mean pull the door?
Who you have in our house?
Who you have in our house?
Let me look.
So somebody I can't sensible. No one in our house. Where you looking at our house?
No, be. I show me realize, say. You know what? Me move in. Me reach 18 now. Me reach age of me don't pass age of consent. No, me can't move in at the house. Me want to move in. You know me move in with you.
You don't have to move in, man.
Why?
Why you want to move in so early for? Alright, give me 2 reasons I can't move in.
I am man. Me a woman. Me, I you're a woman, right? So, by law, when you have a woman, you're supposed to put up your woman.
I really don't want to move in.
You blind? You don't see, say I want to move in. You feel like you want to put me in at the house. I don't like your style. It come like say that you're somebody else there at night time.
No, I don't care nobody, but I just never ready. I just not think you're ready for this yet.
What if you want?
I'm moving all this.
Me can wash, cook, clean, rake yard.
You sure?
Yes. I can't do other than something there. So you need to ask me if I'm sure.
Alright, tell her. I'll give you one chance to move in.
Alright.
Alright.
I said I feel like we know you have to make me move in the car. Hug me up. Yeah, me see.
Yeah, of course, Miss Man, alright.
But me I come over here, cause I mean I go far. Me not feel like man going in the house right now. Me not depend where you depend. Later be.
Alright. Lord God, Father God.
Oh God. Evening, David.
Good evening. What is going on?
Nothing is going on new. But up here, me did I come.
Sit down now. What happened?
Well, you know, me turn 19 now. And if you come out of mommy house for a long time, I know she normally run away when we turn 18 or something. But me never have nowhere to go at the time. But now me feel like I want to go work and something. I can't bother with her because I know she gone already when you did leave with the day. So, me there wonder say if I could have come up here, come stay up here with you and work.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I
No
know.
2 bedroom you have.
Yes, I know. Good place, you know. Me not say no, you know, because I'm my sister, but me just want you to know, yes, I don't know a good place and a life tough right now, so, you know. So
me manage it.
if you
Me
not-
just want to go look one little work.
if you don't have to move out and move your house yet, you know, you know, do it, you know, because I tell you, you're so tough, you know. I walk me a 3 mile more, go to work every morning, you know. And I be a rock stone right now, every slippers and buy for 1 week, you bust out.
Don't worry your head. Me a girl. Me will get it easy.
Alright, well, me not tell you no then. If I say you want to live as a big brother, me not, you see me, me not tell you no, you can stay with me for a while.
Alright.
Some of the time my front door no work, so if you lock, I can walk around the back. When you're ready, you come and get one key cut to you.
Alright. So, me a go come born next week.
Alright.
Alright. So later.
You come on.
Alright.
I can't man in my house, you know.
Later. Like that while ago?
Yeah.
Like 2. But go out more.
When?
Every day. That's why I want to move in. We have to move in. Tomorrow, we have to move in.
some more time.
No. Tomorrow, I have to go move in. I will go home and I go tell me say I'm 18 now. But I will move in tomorrow.
No, watch out now. If you want more, alright, then you can get more.
No.
You have to move in, man.
I want to move
If I
in.
just more you want, you can't get anything.
No, I'm not business. I want to move in. You don't want me move in?
Yeah, of course.
You don't look so.
Look at so.
You don't look like you want to move in.
No, man, more you move in.
But every time you move in, you have be excuse. You have one bag of excuse.
Allah, yeah. No, man, you can't move in anytime, man. But like I said, if I just that alone, you don't have to move in just for
I tell you, I want to see you more often. I want to see you 24/7. I want to see you on my side.
You have a video call that later?
You see, at this me at all. Every time you move in, you have some excuse. For why me can't move in. I want to sleep and wake up and sit beside of me. I want to go to my bed and me did it. You understand? I want to do lovely things.
Yeah.
I want to cook together and then something there.
Yeah.
Play have game nights and then something. You understand that?
Yeah.
So, yeah, me are moving, so I go home and me I go tell my mother say me are 18. And tomorrow I'm part and me not moving, you know.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow, man.
How are you moving?
Yeah, man, of course.
So why every time if you moving you have a problem?
No, me not no problem at all. Me just try to find out if tomorrow you can move in.
What do you mean you have find out? Oh, you have somebody come here?
If you come here.
Sometimes you want if you have somebody come here. You have somebody come here?
But now come here.
You're sure say nobody come here?
Yes, I'm very sure nobody's coming here.
You just tell me alone you have?
Yes.
You swear?
Swear.
For who?
For you.
You swear for me, because you're lying.
No, but I do. I swear for
No! Swear for yourself, say, I want woman you have and me alone.
I want woman.
Make sure. You love me?
Yeah, of course.
Sure you love me?
Sure.
So why not I'm moving?
No, I tell us to move in. I tell us you can't move in.
No? You never tell me that?
No, but when you...
And me ever want to move in?
I give you permission to...
We there for 2 years now, I can't move in the house. How can a relationship that?
I don't say nothing. I say you can't move in. Why can't make it such a big deal?
Okay, every time for me want to move in, you ever broke me vibes and me like say, you don't want me around like I push up myself by you.
So you know why they want to move in?
Yeah, me I go move in. Even if you don't like it, David, they moving in.
Yeah man, that good man.
So you go and come over me yard, with my bag and no, you don't have to with my bag. Me pack up my bag and come. Me pack up my things and I come here.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, you go home now.
Yeah.
And tomorrow,
Good
you
job,
move.
yeah.
How do you Brocky? How many yard over here?
And me if you ask you that what you do over here, my man.
Wait.
I'm a man yard, I'm a man me there, what you do over here?
Oh,
We come over here for?
sorry. Are you,
Where are you?
so you're there with the cousin now?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't want him there with me?
You can't tell him over there.
So what you do over here?
But you sure you make the right choice?
Sure.
Yeah, of course.
Thuga,
Huh?
me do something in your life?
No, me ask the virgin a question. If you sure him if I you must settle it.
You're blind, you see me over here.
Oh.
And we come over here for, you know, see your belly make carriage of people yard.
No,
You got to go tap come over here.
time me a come and this.
You go have to tap come because me a go move in. Tomorrow me a moving and me no want you over here. You understand? Since me moving, me no want you.
Huh?
They were moving man. Yeah, I'm moving. Not true.
Yes, me a moving. We ever
Yeah,
there be here, so?
You say you're moving.
Yes, me a moving. Cause always up on your 1 foot here, walk up and down and beg. Me do something in your life?
Me not beg.
Anytime,
Me
near time.
virgin.
Me find a man. You and them, I have a virgin. Why?
I'm a virgin.
Oh!
You see me?
You see, anyhow, me and I want to live a year fast. Look, you see, sometimes I use them out when I don't use them out. You boy.
Remember say again.
Yes, me I go home and tell my mother and my auntie everything.
alright,
Cause
Yeah man,
go on, yeah,
go on man.
Where you calling my boy now?
You sure you right chat?
Alright.
You know that the girl is nasty.
True.
He no wash plate, he no cook, he no do nothing over him mother yard.
Maybe I try my mother yard. I'm not real today and something with him around.
Rethink there. Rethink before you go make a big old such a step.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that. I don't know about that, but we take your advice, but I'm not sure about that right now.
Father, look man. Look on the girl. And the girl said me go pick the fruit. And see if me foot me there on 1 foot where girl there. You could be there on in a man. See, you know me know.
What?
You cannot give them your all. Look how me give punch me all. Look how me get foot. Big old foot.
Your foot big for two man,
What do you think we are doing?
We take your advice.
But that's me check your point still. I don't know if you can help me out.
What that?
I look at thing and no me not to step up. Look. You know me at that man.
That's what.
No, yeah, me no man. Can you want to, you know?
That's what we can do. How you look, sir?
Well, I don't know still.
What?
Anything you have? Anything you have?
Well,
Yeah, my dad.
my feet are some cat being on the ears, yeah. Definitely have to.
Oh, yeah, I feel that. Yeah, respect.
What you say, 8 grand?
No, I say anything you have.
Alright.
So one brother, he promised me 8 grand.
Hold this way. Just hold it. Mr. Wally.
Oh, not for me yet.
Hold this up. Alright, at least we can do it right now, but isn't it? Check back in the evening when we get our money, because this I should buy protein, so I gas and buy one protein market. So, I don't know, buy yourself one juice. Well, I'm give you 50 money. Because I feel like this year, I just a tough meeting not to go to find one away, you know?
You know, say, I biggest this ever give you. Because I know you.
Alright, 2
You
minutes.
better you tell me say you not have it.
You want to
You better you tell me say you not
Alright,
have
me
it,
now-
boy. I swear. Because you give me 2 days, we good still.
Yeah, but I'm not hot, bro.
We good still. But you're not cooking.
Just sure can look over some food if anything.
Alright, when me say about the girl, man, even though I'm a cousin, I can't tell her who fit there with still and still, but You see, she, me I tell her about her.
Go on.
And you know me not tell her nothing wrong. You understand?
Yeah. Tell her one Pepsi here.
Oh, you buy KFC over here.
I come now, he just come in the yard for watch out. Yeah, they take away all of my $1,000 going on and get what kind of man this a man? I want this man. Boy, sis, work a kill me. Tired bad.
You couldn't spread up your bed?
You there, me from 6 o'clock in the morning. Me get up, me go work in the dark. Me come back in the dark. I'm better more. Me get up first and leave you a draw bogey.
You know how much time me wake up and spread up the bed? So you must can spread it to whether you leave me here or not.
When you in the bed, draw bogey.
But me wake up all long and sit
So you wake up and not do nothing. You could have spread up the bed.
I no time to spread no bed again. I know how much time you make me spread every time me I spread bed every minute.
Well, every minute you sleep in the bed. The bed have to spread when you sleep in it.
If me tired, me I go sleep.
Then nobody come to me, cause I must have mind up here, go leave from work, come in a taxi, ride pan bike, come all the way here, so make up the bed and go back to work then.
Me smell plastic. You don't know say enough to burn plastic because it's not good for people health too. Why you light the fire outside?
You see me light fire?
From this morning before you go to work, you light the fire.
Look from when that out.
What out?
I me tell Matthew to keep an eye on the fire for me.
It is not healthy. Only if a neighbor live beside you, so make them call police for you. You know, so police can charge you for that.
Subject. It's your you turn the subject and you realize you're wrong.
I mean, like you
Matthew keep the eye on the fire upon me from this morning. Me I'll pay him for do it.
So well, it look like in this I put more garbage in it. Look here, you see plastic. It is not good for people health. I don't know say neighbor then can call the police. Me not like them
call
something.
police.
It smells too bad. It smells stink, man.
If you try it, then complain. If you burn it, complain.
No,
so,
but guess what?
I get rid
if
of
you
it.
even go light on fire, then you don't know say wait until everybody gone in their house in the night, lock up their window and their door.
And the night now.
You don't understand. People not gone inside their house, it gone lock up for sleep.
My business with that. My business was going in these four walls.
Window and door still open. They
not
smell all kind of stick.
They not shut it.
Some people have
I know me wanna burn the fire.
You have sinus. Me not even
I know me wanna burn rubbish, you know, sis. I know me wanna burn rubbish.
Where that today?
So you speak of the devil, she appear.
Good evening.
I saw your mother. My niece, come here. I know me love you, not true?
Yeah, I love it too. Oh, but prefer no.
What you mean? Look here.
I always take the hug. Love it too, baby.
I saw for your mother, although my sister, I like how she deal with you. Why as you come in so she call you devil? I saw your mother call Styly as devil, but
Hi. Nobody stir between me and my picnic.
I don't busy, so she want to call me right now. And I'm so happy and excited. I'm asking one question. Me how much?
no most 18.
You don't know how old you be?
18 of course.
You don't know yet.
You know say I 18.
Yeah,
so I don't know you come and ask.
But so no, you know that mean for me now?
What? You have
pack
people
up.
on birthday. Eh?
Me a pack up and me a move the hell out here. Who said me a pack up my bag? Ready, me ready?
No. A joke you didn't make.
Oh, where you go?
Me got me man yard.
Yeah?
Hey, hold on. Take up and go which man yard, go where, which man, how, what, when, where, how.
No, man, me a talk for 2 years now. Me finally go move in.
But no do things strange. No come to adult parents and guardians and say, Ray, we find a place, we go thinking of moving in. You just come rolla son, just pack up and say, we are moving, sir. So what? Hi, who you brace up on? Who you brace up on?
I understand, mommy. You just feel like I miss you, go miss me. I miss you, I go miss me, can't talk and something, you know. That's why.
You don't know about that.
But the words are weird, they worry
at least she wait until she is 18. Remember say, when you're 16, we mother couldn't find you. You go about your business and make sure you report to your miss in a police station.
Mommy, too excited.
Oh,
it's
you
different. Mommy too excited.
What different? Remember say I did 15. When you miss
That is a different day and a
3.5 weeks.
This is a different day and
Yes,
a different
anyway,
time.
when they line
My
you.
daughter, as you say, talking from experience, it's not too wise to do that, you know. As your auntie
Mommy.
Crystal said, me go through it.
No,
I mean, I have to come back
15.
home
No.
with what? My tail between my leg, them so.
Why you come back home, mommy?
I know good idea, baby.
It's
It's
because you
not
can't
a good
wash.
idea.
You can't
Sit down,
cook,
let me chat to you. Sit
and you
down.
cannot clean. Me can wash, cook, and clean. So me go and go to make something.
You think so
Yeah,
that
we're
is
both
what
clean.
life
Yeah,
is?
yeah.
You think that is what life
When me
is?
talk to me talking, don't talk when me talking. Talk me nice.
Hey, I want you but your foot on my face already.
Talk when me a talk. Me get what me need to stay out.
Yeah.
Me a somewhere they go.
Put it down a decibel.
Ask me, I say no, mommy. You don't have to worry. Me, the ugly auntie can cook the peas. Although sometimes she can cook the peas and the rice and peas. We have to pick out the peas and out of the rice because it's tough.
Yeah.
Just make it a little bit longer than how she now will make it. Just teach her that, right? So alright, don't worry about nothing. Me I take my leave now.
What a way your chest gets
Remember
high.
when you cook the peas, you see? This time, don't put no fab pan it. Fab no go pan peas. You hear, auntie? Just throw water pan it. I say, me say sink the peas. Me no mean say if you take a fork or spoon and try push them down. Throw water pan it. And that me mean, you hear? So now you learn something about the peas.
So you're serious?
You know, look serious.
Alright, you're a big woman.
Bye-bye.
I don't think it's a good idea, but...
Auntie, you know me love you a long time. Mommy just jealous. Mommy no rest of my son.
Hey! Jealous of what?
And
So
that's
one
why they
person you
move
know
on.
in the room, and one person you know in the room for hug. Alright, go along, me no want it, go along.
Me know you want it. I go me say, oh God.
Yes, so you're serious? You really are go?
Talk, man. It's a talk like you know I'm leave. Jesus.
Hello. Remember, say, come
Oh, whoa!
on
Where
up on
this
the
you
bed. Come
come
on, where you
from?
go way out this up on the bed like you want to drop off.
Come frightened.
No, listen, nobody frightened. She a 18-year-old. And then say they give them consent. If you have sexual intercourse from 16.
Nah, me no want know about that.
No, that's how we
Don't
say.
talk about that.
No, you need to
Crystal. Me
listen.
no need to hear about
Me I
that.
tell her
man.
something at least she not breathing in school. You, she at 18. And she still not pregnant. Remember say, me did tell you already, and me tell you again, because I come like you not get it. You notice me not say nothing to her? Because you did left from the yard. From your 15-year-old and way. We couldn't find you.
Yeah, throw that back
We
in my
mother
face.
couldn't find you. She have to report to your missing at station. Look here, a station, we have to go report to your missing, you know, the time you
Say
don't
nobody
miss.
got station.
And no for no go there with man and make parents have to report say no miss and no miss no. And uno know where uno there, we don't know where uno there. Me and your bigger sister, me couldn't find you. We mother couldn't find you. Lord Jesus, we go there so top call me girl.
So it no make better sense to me if you know me do it, so me know what is out
Remember
on the
say you had
streets.
15 when you come back you're pregnant. Stop
You
idea.
have to chat my business out of
Yeah, she
streets.
did in here.
You really have to chat my business out of
because me attack and you
streets.
attack and the two of we attack and everything I tell you and you not listen when me I say. Remember say me older than you.
Me know that
Me I
already.
still your biggest sister. I
know that already.
We mother dead and gone, but me tell you something. When you come back you're pregnant, you did too young. So we mother when have to care you got doctor go dash away. I told me one chat makes me niece here. So keep by your mouth, she at 18. At least she not pregnant. I mean know say she have ambition, she go look work. What you chat about?
Me not like how you go on sometime, you
No,
know,
but I need
sis.
truth.
Every
Compare
little
18
thing.
to 15.
Hey, alright.
Yeah,
Every
adult.
little thing you throw that same thing
When
in my
you
face.
are
Look how me
15,
change.
watch out.
Look how me live my life.
Yeah,
how
I
me
don't know.
change.
Yeah,
Every
I don't
minute
know.
you have to throw that in my face.
Yeah,
The one thing me do wrong.
If you stop dealing with your daughter a certain type of way, she a big woman now, 18, soon 19.
And true, me no want her do the same foolishness. Me
You
go
not gonna
fall
do the same
for.
foolishness, she at
How
18.
you
You
know?
do it when you're 15
How
and she's
you
still
know?
not
You're
pregnant.
going like say you know
I'm
do
a
nothing.
niece.
You're going like say you know do nothing.
Hear what me do? I hate pick me up and me carry the whole of them.
How much papa?
Me no dash
How
way
much
none.
papa?
8 baby father. 8
So how
pick
you
me.
gonna talk?
But me look
Wipe
here.
the mouth from your eyes before you wipe it from mine.
Me no
sis.
breed before time. Plus me know me baby father them. Although some of them now mind them, but me still know them. And me still make them know them daddy.
You still get unlucky though. Eat sweet talk.
No.
Eat
Listen,
open
I know
leg and
sweet
eat
talk.
breed.
Sometimes you don't understand. Say sometimes so sick as you don't understand. You know. Me older than you, although you're a big woman, you still act like you know what I'm saying. Circumstances make some woman do something where they no want to do.
Exactly. So circumstances come when me 15.
No,
Circumstances.
you was a child.
You don't know what was going on.
Listen to me. You was a child.
Circumstance can happen for you.
No,
It can
don't
happen
say
for
that.
me.
Me say, you make we mother turn in her grave right now.
Nobody got
You're
that
disgusting. You was a child. At the age of 15, you don't have the consent for have sex. Where you left Ghana man yard? You gone 1 million years ago. But you are going like I say you're wrong and stuff. That's why me have to delete.
Before me say something me regret,
No,
you never
me
did
talk
that.
to you.
No, you never did
Stand
that.
up and
You never did that. You never did know what was going
What you
on.
mean?
And you come and judge. You come and judge and you don't know what did go on.
Remember, said the little dirty foot old man you go there with, you know, little pitty love take up big man too much. And you did the young girl.
You think say young boy can give me what me want?
Look how you make me feel Sonia now. This gone much years ago. But how the way how you treat your daughter, me just explain something to you. And you make me get ignorant because you know say at the 15 you did be. She at 18 you not understand what me I say.
So me not guide her.
Try make a story add up no.
Me not guide me pick me.
You can't guide her again. The horse done gone through the gate. What kind of guidance she want?
If the horse done gone through the gate at 18, she had big old 40 plus tax. So what kind of horse must have gone through gate long time now for me?
She adult. She go live with her man now. When she ready, she'll come back and look for you. And not do pity for her. And nobody no do her nothing. At least she tell us that she go live with her man. What is the problem? You at the age of 15, you did go left with and with mama.
See, you know, nothing else for go on about.
I never tell nobody
back
where
to
go.
15.
Remember, say
At 30 odd years ago that you don't find better to store
watch
than
out
that
at
man.
school. You did left going on when you look in and see you come back, you know. And that you feel know. So you know they know we close to you that at least she done school, come out of school and have sense and they all look what now and they will live with
So
her.
me
What's
have
the
no
problem?
sense. Me survive the streets. Me have no
That's
sense.
you, you're my sister, but you don't listen, me not tell no lie.
Me a listen. If me never listen, me couldn't answer you back.
But
Me go
the
put on
answer
some
the way they give me
peas.
no
Me
add
go
up.
put on some peas and make it so good and gone. Me love you, but you have
You
hot
feel
me
listen
head,
to me
man. You hot
sometime
me
when
head
me
too hot.
talk to you, man.
You can't put up a bed.
Put up what? You put up the bed, babe. You put up the bed.
cannot put it up.
No.
Why?
You put up the bed.
Why?
You don't feel like man put up no bed. You can't put up a little bed. You think you big? You know how to put up no? Just put up the bed.
It's not a problem, but you never be yet. You don't know for that bed.
Yes, me know how to put up
You want to
bed.
teach you how to put up a bed?
Yes, teach me to put up a bed. Get up and put it and show me how you do it. Get up and show me how you do it.
Grab the top sheet.
There's no one to see you.
Upbeat. Upbeat with 2 equal parts.
Jesus Christ. Boy, put up the bed. Me don't feel like me want to put up the bed. No, me not put up no bed.
You put up the bed.
You put up a bed today and put up it tomorrow. Think like that.
What's that? Tell me come over here, over here.
You just say I move, me move in. You know, understand that?
Oh, you're moving now.
Yes, me move in. So, proper bed, me I go on the yard, me I go on the road. Wash up the plate them and cook some food.
How are you?
And wash up the clothes them. And see one here.
I say,
Make me help you
watch
cook the
you, man.
food.
Watch you, man.
And watch him
We
say
don't know washing a plate.
See come here for.
You don't know washing a plate with nobody. You and the man there.
No!
You.
Me not wash no plate. Make sure say
Go on,
you wash the plate and everything. What you run me for?
Go on, man.
No run me.
Go on, man.
So me wash the plate them. Me not me go party and come back. And you, some clothes around her back. See if I can help him wash them out. Cause me not feel like me want to wash. Me clothes them as it. And me clothes them dirty because some dirty clothes from me hand. And remember me party them in the bucket round her back. Yeah?
Where you going, man? Go on.
Remember for them, you know? Oh, me soon
Now
come
watch
back.
panty now.
Daddy. What's your kind of panty? Boy, you
Yes,
are
you
either.
tell you that she's nasty.
Brother, I can only be right with you one nasty.
Look
piece
on
of
the
bread.
plate them. Look there.
Brother, the only reason
How long now did they do this?
the only reason I wash up it, me I put on my bed because
All bed I spread.
So you not spread bed yard?
You live with the man, me not do them sitting there.
You have to spread bed too, man. After my house and I have to keep it clean. Not because she nasty, my whole house is nasty.
You know seal, you know smell moldy. Yeah, my virgin, me not like, you know smell moldy. You will do it.
I don't smell it.
You're strong for you go so. You don't smell it?
Man, come and finish my place, brother.
That is nasty. Look at you. What do you come over here and see that the big hole of pot? Is all in your wash?
Brother, come and chat about me yard, brother. You see me clean up my house. Just cool, man. If she nasty, me not nasty, me keep my place clean, bro.
You forgot to tell auntie about this.
What do you mean tell
You
auntie?
have to tell auntie about
Who
this.
for auntie?
Our mother. Me have to tell auntie she too nasty, man. Too nasty. Me I tell her the
You
truth.
can't keep up with them sitting there, brother. You nasty for too, man.
And you day night before you run her, but she gone and back her yard.
You nah left.
Run her
You nah
yard.
left. You nah left. You have to go find her way, but you
And
nah
the
left.
same thing auntie have with her over there. She too nasty. She nasty. In a fear room come like a when them a pack up garbage truck back. Nasty. If she eat something, plate under the bed, she put it whoop under the bed. Cup under the bed. And look under the bed, we sitting under the
So under them, you know, straight.
underneath the bed. Look at Pepsi and bigger. You know what she drink them because the cork bite up. And so she stay around a little bit. If she drink bag juice in your bag, she never dry away.
Boy, come on, I don't know all about her. Well, me I like to
Me go change
Do it.
because I'm on the road, I go change and go tell me auntie.
Do it.
Because
Hello?
you're brave to sit down in them and
Hi.
feel being nasty. Me say,
Yeah, of
look
course.
more.
What the problem?
Bye. You see you? The other day, me I talk to you about something. In a real life, you go on. Now you see you go on. But all good, me still love you, see.
That's why I come out to the room.
Cause I don't know, it look like when me I talk to you, it's like true you never say a true, you get ignorant, you need to stop it and listen. Not because you're a big one, no, me still older than you.
I know, sis, I respect and love you for that, but yet keep throw the same dirty water in my face every time we get in a nothing. When you was 15, we had to go find you.
Hey,
I
I
know,
come
wrong.
from chat out that you want man for hear you chat about. Me a 40 odd, me a 75.
Hey.
Me older than you.
Alright,
You know what, listen to me.
Alright. Oh, sure, change the subject now, man. But in real life, though, you know, miss her. Me miss her, man.
Miss who?
Me miss her around the house.
Me niece you talk.
Yeah, man, me miss her. Me miss her
Me no
around
miss
the
her.
house. And you know,
When
miss
them a
her.
big woman and I take wood, what you say? Me
Me
tell
not
you.
there. Me no want to even hear about that. Me no.
Me can't wait,
I'm not talk-
Virgin
and I'm
Mary.
here talking my baby girl. Me no want to hear. Me know,
Where
but me
baby
no
girl
want to
is?
hear. Cause you see me have a vivid imagination, and when me start talk about things, me start picture it. I mean, I want to picture my baby girl like
Me know
that.
because you're traumatized when you're 15. Listen what me I say. Anyway, when they reach certain age and start take hood, you cannot stop it. You have a time to take hood, and you have a time where you leave hood. Them are people nowadays, they don't left hood noon tal. Anyway, them a go hood after they behind them, in front of them, back of them, on top of them, everywhere under them. So you can't stop it. This a generation born to take hood. Jamaica surrounded by wood, land and water. So, Jamaican woman go love wood. Whether you like
You
it
have
or
to
not.
really
Me
go
a
in
give you it, plain and straight.
Me no want to know about
Yeah,
that,
act
man.
like
Me
I
know.
say she a baby.
No, me tell you that. Me just say I don't want to visualize.
Now you alone want to call her with them leave girl. She young, make she go explore and enjoy
I just tell you,
herself.
say me miss her. And to be honest, me never want to say it, but me miss her cooking. Can't lie she tell. Oh God, sis.
And I like
you're
she tell
70 at yet, and the way mama can cook, and the way Auntie Lynn can cook, you really can cook for true.
Yes, so no,
since we had the song whole truth, she right about the peas, you know. Oh God.
Better have to do with me.
No man.
I don't want to learn to cook.
No man, you have to cook better, man. You
No, me not take no better. I want to cook and give me.
Come. Hi, so hop along if you come. You alright?
How are you? How am you?
Come make room for you, make you sit down.
Oh, yeah, you climb one tree and drop out there?
I bet you me got you say me a pick.
I like.
And just jump out of the tree and land from one big stone.
You could have do it, let me see.
You sure breadfruit you pick and nothing else?
No, tell me
Mine
that.
a Kama Sutra, my try, you know, and can't manage, you know.
Oh, yeah. Leave me never alone. Me like where you put.
You just don't say them are adults.
I don't matrix and
Go here then. Sis.
yes, man.
And the wheelbarrow couldn't manage her, you know, and drop.
To him. And that's the auntie. Where come in here so far?
Sorry, me not laugh. Me not laugh.
You could have
Me
broken
not
foot.
laugh. It's serious. I'm glad you're alright.
If you know broke already,
No, but you have to take bad thing, make
if
joke,
you
you know.
could have broke, my foot could have broke. If you know broke already now, but I broke again.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Come here. We are doing on perfume.
I don't feel.
Every time me put on me, well, am I? Every time me put on me sitting them panny just say you go in a room, go take them out, you know. You know, say one dangerous boy, you come in here and that style, nice and fresh in a clean clothes, and have an woman perfume. Yeah,
Oh, God.
the boy want to smell like a me all the while. Why you want to smell like a me? A woman perfume that buy man cologne.
If the perfume smell good, I can't spare it.
But when me did buy one for you, I drink yours, or me still have mine. What is it? Alright, you know what?
One night for smell spray.
Sis, me don't give you one money and you buy one cologne for me here. Because I see the cologne where I use, I want man did give me the money to buy it. If you never know, my man work at JPS. JPS and he name Popeye. And my man he have money like that. So when he ma buy cologne give me, he just turn up the thing and say, choose the one you want, my baby. Oh! So if you take my man money and come, all when you may never. But Jesus have mercy, God. So me if you take Popeye money. Alright, here I go now. I hope you agree. I hope me if you take for me man money and come home to you as my nephew and give you, or go in a store and go buy cologne and underpants come give you. So if Popeye wants out front.
You have to find a rich girl, nephew. You have to go find a rich woman.
Me not even about that talk.
And that one, she mean. Where you gonna get from her?
Where you coming for?
Kayla, me can't believe so.
She not there. Put out what? Get your story right before you come in and talk.
Yeah, me never, but I want a little dirty mix up drunk.
Me hear so put her out.
Who put out who? And she put out herself.
Aye.
Yeah, no, put out like Kayla underage. Kayla 18, soon 19 next year. Wait there. No, and next year.
You know, next June.
I see mama there, I'm fit tell you.
Next
I make mistake, Fanny.
So let me tell you how it go. Hold on, stick a pin and reverse and come
Look
back.
for me living in my mother house here. Me at 20.
When I have to do with it,
I don't me a look pan.
you know what? I walk this. Big fool 20-year-old.
And a brag and boast pan it. And a brag pan it.
Hold on there. You are one big old, God know you, I'm in never, but you are one big old dirty stinking Jama Roach, 20-year-old Jama Roach. You, in your mama house and they come tell we as your auntie say, oh, me at 20, I'm in my mother house. And you feel proud of yourself.
I bet you tell her put her.
Me not nobody not put her out. She live with her man.
Aye. Come in with chest high.
Yes,
And hand pan Kimber. Sick up
Yeah,
here.
do
Hold on there, sis. Me know you what
She
I say. What you
they
say?
say she nasty bad. So see I do. All her panty roll up in a bathroom. So
You know, say that part them, I tell on lie. My sister and my niece, but me, you see the drugs them fit. We attack. And I mean she grow with. Our mama you attack.
I know what you do. Me take the crushes and lick you.
No.
Remember, me a auntie, no friend.
No, listen how you go.
Know how you talk
No,
to
listen,
me.
nobody had to pay your foot. Let me tell you.
And I'm foot me a go lick.
But I hear in ear, I know him a make up your
Me no business with that part of the reckless him a come to me with. And the reckless him a come to me
The drive
with.
them roll up.
Me and tell her girl you want lick from my foot.
You know, lick up on your foot. Oh.
I tell her say she nasty, got people them place and I go be nasty. So
No,
Me
tell
no
her
raise her so she
No,
turn
but-
big woman and go on the man yard.
they
Come
say
in
that
and
you
tell
put
me.
her
Me
up
no business
to
what
her
they say. She come in and let me tell. She come in. How old am I now? Hand pan Kimber so. Until we say a gone, she gone. What me I gonna pull up on the door, put chain pan her, handcuff pan her.
Oh, yeah,
that is
you
called
know,
kidnap and me can't do nothing about that.
Are you grass?
You quiet now.
Because
How
you're chat, so me no want to chat when you
No,
want chat.
tell him say she a big woman.
I hear that, so me I
Him
listen
a
to
come
you.
in and berate me, so you tell
I'm
him
a
say she's 18.
but you're not listening. Let me tell you, I'm a niece, but you're not sitting with you. When I did leave her with me and gone about your business and money, I'd gone tan few much a month. And she used to take off the jars and fit you and throw it back on my bed can and me and her used to have a problem.
I saw Auntie stay. I saw she grew up and see she.
Where you just say
Why,
what I
come
saw
out.
auntie say?
Come on, that's
What
why we
your
brought the
business?
other foot.
I saw yesterday.
Ah, good. You should have
Oh,
licked your
I got
head.
the auntie there to
Damn, rank and face stay.
Me not tell no lie, Kayla. She's so 19, but yes, when I did leave her with me, fit one and stay with the man for how long, me used to see she take off her dress and roll up here and she not do it. But me see, you know, me mean when me I spread up the bed and me pull with the bed from the corner, me see whole heap of dirty dress and run there. True, me and she did younger, me want you go kill her with lick. So me not tell her, me just tell her say she fit wash her panty them and her socks and them something when she used to go high school and so. She do all kind of nastiness. Yeah, she come boast about chew me cause me can't cook and me never cook peas good. And she said and when she bite the peas it did sound like a rock stone in her mouth for chew. Cause me did make the peas burn up. Yeah, come me put the peas on the fire and me did think say one time if you put water in there. And me never know say me fi sink the peas. So me left it on the fire and the peas burn up so me Garrett see me fi name black and you never there cause she did hungry. And she name it, you know.
Yeah.
She name the burn up peas cause me
And
never
you're
cook it
hungry
good.
and you think to your school.
Me never cook good.
But to God,
me
sis, you
can't
learn
cook.
now,
And that
man.
don't have over me. Me can't cook, but me know
learn
say,
now,
me
man.
know say, me
You
know
have to
say,
go, man.
me fi wash up the plate them and me wash up the plate them. Me always wash up the
I
plate
know you
them.
do that. I know you do that.
Yeah.
But why?
And Kayla, me sorry for her cause here there. Yeah, we never say, oh, they have it, they chat, oh, she can't cook, she can't wash, and she had dashed down drawers and one, they pass it, me sorry for you. I feel me.
Sorry
No,
for who?
I mean, niece,
Sorry
but
for
I know
who?
me, I
When you did it to me, she's a
I
big
know-
woman. She's a
but-
big woman.
Yeah, she a
Let
big
her go.
But
So she
still a big
gone.
woman. And she a 18 same way. She not 19 yet.
So
a
make
big
she
woman
go.
that.
Make she make her way. Another cheat to me.
All right.
Krista, I want to talk to you. You ever talk to somebody? Me just walk past Kayla, you know. I mean, almost walk past my own child. Me never recognize her.
What do you mean? You don't know you want a Whitney?
Not this one.
You
You know,
next Whitney?
say she maga from morning. I saw she draw down. The skin just a hang pan the bone.
Maybe
The
she.
eye them sinking sun, I eye them do big for. Me no know.
Maybe-
You just have to stand up and watch her
Right.
pass.
Yeah, you hear me say? Maybe she live on diet.
How she love her belly?
No.
What she tell you off about? And I cuss you about cooking. How she love her belly? Something wrong. Something wrong. But what I think say, the way
You know,
she
let me tell you
gone.
something. Tap fuss you up over Kayla. Maybe.
Fuss you up if you did see her, sis.
Look here.
A walking dead.
You hear me? Maybe Kayla have worm. So every time she eat the worm, they eat out the food out her belly. You can worm she have. And they have one hook, yeah, they have one name hookworm. That kind of So maybe I
hope
eat
so.
make she mug. You have to go buy her some.
I hope so, because that's not my baby that me know and raise.
You know, say we're my parasite.
Yeah, man.
So maybe you have to go in a pharmacy and tell them say your daughter have worm. And you need something to kill out the parasite them out her. And then she will get big and fat.
That's why I come and talk to you, because you have
I
more.
think nothing else something to her.
Becoming like, seriously, sis, if you did see her, you would have frightened.
So you not talk to her and I say nothing to her.
I'm frightened. Me just stand up and watch her because she never even see me.
So
Me have to look good for see for she.
So you will see her daughter up on the road. Remember you said she not see you, no? And you will see her. And you not even say hi in her bye. Are you her child?
No, me frightened, man. But couldn't believe say my baby could have gone down to that. When me tell you, say, the skin just a hang on the bone. Yeah, them pop out so. And I mock them. Look now, I mock them.
A worm she have.
I pray you're right.
She have worm. So where you
Hey, you
go
not think of something
where
else.
Where you go do about it?
I forgot. Me know where the boyfriend
Which
is, so
family
me
they
go
there?
talk to her.
Thuga!
Well, him probably know I want
Don't
to.
do that again, you know. Say yes, auntie. Oh, Tara. Oh, yeah. Thuga. Yeah.
I want to talk to you.
So where you take so long for coming and so far? Like me tell you, say no for come back in. I watch her. Close the door and make a mosquito them come in here.
This way me tell her all and day, go for your daughter from over the boy yard.
How will you come out now?
Go for your daughter, because your daughter throw her name there. Water upon the boy sister over there.
Do what? That are nothing. I said, leave me niece alone. I said, she dash
Dirty water.
Acho?
And the girl must have get
A
her
joke you're making up.
Kill and mad.
Your love runs some serious joke.
And the girl must get her reason. So why she throw dirty water upon the girl?
No.
Exactly.
She over
Where
there
say?
with problem in the boy
Kayla
yard.
throw dirty water.
And the boy sister over the yard.
So no more something on my...
And this place,
So, hold on.
Because I'm going to see a fear picnic.
No. Nobody put it
So
on
now
her.
you're
When
cousin.
she walk out, she's a big woman.
My cousin too. I remember I walk on him and say, your sister nasty, or your cousin nasty.
No. Me never when you walk on road and people and say some relative where you have nasty and this and that. Just act like you're this man, you know.
Disgrace that. Total disgrace.
You don't understand? Act like you know.
Auntie, go for your daughter over there.
When
You know, in this village, then when people start talking, you're going to look bad. And I feel picnic and you push her out, auntie, go for her.
she a big woman, and that's what you tell me. And she talked to me when me try to stop her. Your auntie Crystal said, no, she's a big woman. She's a big woman. She's 18. Remind me so me do when me 15. So she a big woman now. And so everybody tell me.
Me influence. Me not even go over that story. Me not go over that story there again. You don't believe what you want to believe and say what you
Hey,
want to
see
say.
listen. Where the halo there? Me I look for the halo.
know, say
And
I'm
you,
tell you
when
50
me,
our way.
when me,
You know, say she coming here with her mom.
yes, me never said that. Me
So
say
where
when me I
you
try talk her out to it, and you tell me say she a big woman now.
Then I'm
And
sitting there, the girl do Kayla. You see you big and full of your picnic.
You hear me
so
say
Kayla
so?
when go just throw dirty water.
you hear me say something, say the same thing.
I feel something then
when me
to
not
her.
listen, I say you me not get it from.
I feel something.
Me not say the same thing to you.
I feel
Me say the same thing to
then
you.
To me niece, so me niece throw dirty water.
One for your daughter. Last time I tell her, one for your daughter over a boy yard.
Toga, she a big.
You go lie down.
She a big woman. She stand up exactly where you there and put Hannah Kimber tell me say a big woman. And my sister tell me
And
say.
then you have to go bury her when
Don't say that about me niece. Oh, Tara.
Call that down
I
from
you
the
them a go
picnic.
bury out and I know I'm my favorite niece. You're brighty. You see you're not listening. You're saying this coming as and tell you one bag of story and you believe. Oh,
And you not listen when him tell me the story. What me say to him? Me say what the girl do to her. I don't know. Me say well she must have do something. You too busy I round up your mouth and
because
not
me
listen.
I chat to him and you watch at the same time.
Yeah, you not listen. So me not listen. Me get it from you. Cause you're the bigger one. Me follow you.
No more something then do to me niece.
Of course. Kayla na lick first. So me know that. That's why when him a go on, me tell him say everything good man. She's a big woman. She defend herself. She not take no this.
You shouldn't make Kayla go there with no man neither.
Hey,
Man, fi make him and girl in argument.
She's 18. She's 18.
Yes,
She's a big woman. Remember when you was 15, we had to go look for you. Huh? And I saw you too when I try to talk to my picnic.
Me and auntie and mother should have still stand up on your foot and say Kayla don't go
I'm
nowhere.
75, I'm the bigger one.
Yeah, me at 75, I'm the bigger one.
You have short memory. Huh? When it suits you. When it suits you.
Of course, me say she a big one and she can do whatever. But you as a mother, you don't know the man she a keep. I first said you about that man there. Me don't know him. You don't know say what this man. No, see that she gonna put herself in a dirty water. Look more police. Me gone. Me not turn up here. No police not come to me and you them a come to.
She's 18, at least she better than you.
Of course she's 18. And she can deal with certain things by herself, but not everything. Your mama,
So me, I'm
auntie.
Yes.
Why the man inside the front door now wait me to walk back, but he didn't give me the key yet to walk.
Hello, who you?
Oh, you have me there too.
Who you
Hello,
bitch? Who you? Who you?
No, sir.
Who you, big girl?
Mama, who you be? Who you be?
Me not
You
talk
know all
about
this
this
bill?
Me not talk. Alright, don't move, cause you live in here. Don't
Mama,
move,
you know all this bill? What the little steelfish girl here? David! Oh, David, they do, oh God.
What are you? Who you? Who you, girl? Who you? Jesus Christ, who you think you be, girl? Who you do, ya?
What about us?
Yeah, see me come and me call you and say my front door now work me fuck about, but you never give me no key and the girl come wake me up.
How is that, girl? Yeah, give me bud now. Yeah, give me bud now.
Girl, put on your idiot. Oh, you throw water for my sister.
I your sister.
You didn't tell me I have made the hour.
Yo, go run.
Me went up you in
Go on now.
You don't come push me.
Then David, what kind of something this is you are going with that stuff? You didn't tell me say I have made.
Sorry about that, man. I mean, idiot. So sorry about that.
Them a live it here no good at all.
So what with you?
Me come and call David and me turn me back and look me see if you go come from this and me get water around the side there. And some me could have dropped down flat and alive.
My bag of cussing me here and come over sitting the party at me there. I'm sorry about that, man. So
So
sorry.
who she?
I'm gonna eat that girl.
So she do ya? I want you to start living with woman.
Don't worry about it. You so bad.
So you living with woman in the front of your look so?
That one a problem them too.
No man.
Don't worry, me soon sort out everything.
Come with me going. Me want go in.
I apologize for that. I apologize for that.
Why?
Yo! David! What?
Yo!
Oh, man, you give me a knock, man.
No, sir. Let's hear the knock. Let's hear the knock.
After you clean up the place?
No, do a little bit.
Slide.
My contract here.
Sir. You clean up the place, though.
No, get to work.
Where the fun?
Brother, I don't say. Yo, I believe so my sister father over my yard. And he eat that girl, go with him up. He father over my yard and call for me.
Your sister forward over here.
And him a call for me. And then,
And which eat that girl?
are your cousin? He come round and say, oh, you be? Blah, blah, blah. Got up in a one bag.
Wait up your sister.
Yeah. He come in a one bag. Give me with him.
And you know put her out?
So,
Yeah. Better sit.
No.
Tell me say you put her out.
That me want to do. That me want to do, but he not left.
We mean shit. I feel your place.
He not left, brother.
I feel your place. Put her out.
He not left. You not understand. You know, like you have some rat in your yard. No matter what you do, try to get rid of them. They not go around cockroach.
Put her out.
You not understand.
Okay. Cause when we come closer to you, dirty dog. Me and you are cousin. And you come over here and tell my man say, to put me out. I'm your cousin.
You could never be my cousin and so nasty.
With what?
Stand bad.
I'm turn bad with, I'm nasty with.
You're too nasty.
I'm nasty with, I'm nasty with.
Clean up with no one, you know, live a try.
Who tell you that?
Him tell me that you don't live nothing. You don't do nothing.
Tell you, yeah. Come wait, what you telling to send me?
Oh, you think that she was upon the man's sister?
Oh, I never knew it was his sister, you know. Me think I want to go dirty waste trash girl them. Like him a try replace me, me now wash, cook and clean for him. So I'm not to defend my territory. Oh, go on. Come in and understand how you come over here.
I feel your place.
I'm me live here now. Get up and go your yard. Get up and go your yard, you know. Get up and go your yard.
Who left her?
Let's have a true. Come in and understand.
Because we don't understand what I run over here, so.
But what over here, so? Every day you come over here. Where you come over here for?
Oh, you can't stop me from come over here. You cannot stop me from come over here. You know what? You know over here.
Easy.
You're laughing like that. You will lick you out in your mouth. Remember, say me hold of that.
Yo, easy.
Let go me crush, yeah? Let go me crush.
Hey.
Easy. Go on.
Me not shut up
You
on me
know,
now.
oh, you nasty, so.
Yo, go on, man.
I tell your mama grow ya.
Bravo.
Yes, man.
And you the next one too. You can't defend me. I make him a disrespect me. I love cow business guy road.
You don't carry guard road. You don't see me yard, me. I'm carry guard road. You don't see my house, sister.
So we are telling my business. What you tell about your sister for? All you need to know that.
I want to talk to you. Kella, me feel like you're moving too fast. Me not feel like already for this. I feel like you can't walk over your mother for a while and we kind of figure it out. Because I feel like we are moving too fast. Like relationship, everything just happen and we don't really understand what happened. So I feel like if you come back at your people at the time.
You know I love that? You didn't know that?
No?
You never know that? I'll make you know this. Come here. Me now go back on me yard. And yes, so me a turn until me grey and old. The two out forever. We connected, me not got my hand. Me not moving out. So let me tell you that from now. So take it out of your head. Me not move out. Me sorry for my sister, but me think I didn't want other girl yeah moving. Guess what she come with bag? What she have with bag? Me mean to wet her up. And well, me she wet up the dirty boy Thuga. Can I come and argue with me and put up in crutch in my face? And you not defend me. You make all like 1 foot boy and bully me. And you just sit and cover up my mouth. Yeah, what?
Alright. Babe. You're right. Sorry, I'm trying to make you input the question.
I know, I say that Anders. I never want me go home.
No.
Me go change. Me like how you tell the place.
Alright.
Me love how you clean the place. You see everything. I say next time you come over and say, oh, clean the place. I say, we get up early and man and clean up the place. So they won't know say clean the place. And me close them.
Listen to me. Go down and shop for me. And come back soon.
How you chat to?
Are you ask me, ask her?
No? Me can't walk right now. Foot hurt me, baby. You walk one. Foot hurt me, can't walk right now. Go on. You go on. I know me love you already. Get back sweetie for me or something. You hear? Let me tell you, me come off your work. Me a queen, I lie to me, I lie to. Foot of water. How we are doing the same way? I'm to ask you, what you do ya? You me live. What you do ya?
Yeah, you live for why? When since?
What make you do go on? Can it seem like you want to make it
No.
good?
David, come water me again. Where David?
You don't know the meaning of go yard.
You don't know me not stay over the yard.
Okay. I'm not arguing with you.
Me not argue with you either. Put me out.
I'm not arguing with
Put
you.
me out. Like you never do not here. Floor like you want to sweep. What you there for?
Why you don't sweep it yourself if you have a problem with it?
That's
Why
why
you don't do
the
it?
house have 2 rooms. 2 rooms.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So why you not turn up feel you find yourself worse? You see you
Can me call look for my brother?
You don't say you can't with me?
No, me not cause I'm problem with them. Just when you come out.
Why problem?
Yes.
Why problem?
Me come around here look for you ask if you're not cooking.
Yeah.
Me hungry and me I wait for the dinner all long.
I'm someone sort out something for you, man.
You have to go cook no?
I'm my sister and a boss up. When you say you're hungry, I may get something for you.
In the beginning of your cook.
You not big enough you live and pay your own.
Me live with me man. Is there a problem?
But you contribute, you know all this bill.
Sometimes
You
you
know
wonder
all this
if you're
bill.
in a busy with your brother cause
easy.
you ever
I
when
don't know if you want there for my brother for true.
Easy, man, easy.
I'm not talking about what your brother for you. You're not in a business. You should see your sister.
Girl, I eat that. Where you try, sir?
You don't ask me for idiot. If you ask your mother if she are the idiot. You don't ask me if me a idiot.
And this is my mother girl.
Stop.
Yeah, this is my mother girl. Come out of my mother house.
Be worried.
Oh, I eat that. What you feel? Come on, about up my sister.
I'm gonna chew me.
You wet me up the last time, you know. And you never get none.
Sis, go on, with you.
See when you
Me want the food, David.
Me soon come to you, me soon
Me
come.
can't go round.
they go poison that girl there. And you're the next one.
Yo, me soon bad that, me soon talk to you.
Daddy,
Yo,
me have something to
father,
talk to you
me soon
about,
talk.
Oh, when me come out of this too. Cause you're the next one. You never want to defend me. You know everything you want but abuse me. Alright, we go poison her.
Daddy, you can't get that out of your place. You come over here, things you done. They looking at your nose.
I can't have nose up. Can't smell good. Mama, you don't smell good neither.
Oh, you're bright. I might slap you on your nose back with that picture.
Father, I get more and get him out. Get more and get him out.
Daddy, you know what you need to do?
What?
Tell her, say, ask her, say, oh, you never carry me go meet your mother-in-law yet.
Oh.
And make she carry you go over the yard. And then after you just tell her, say, she not coming back. Cause if you tell her to pack up and she not like, tell her, say you want to meet your mother-in-law.
Oh,
And make she carry you go over the yard.
boy, you have sense, man. You come like a good thing you ain't broke your head. We have sense, my boy,
I
man.
send to you, but
Tomorrow she'll come out of my house. God as my witness. Tomorrow. You
you
can't.
see, watch this. Me come go, cause me can't take your argument. Me come go.
I respect, yeah.
Me gone. Come here. Now look, come on.
Yeah, they take him and push you down.
Hold on, push me now.
Sit down.
You think I sister this?
Yo, one.
You think I sister this?
Easy.
I look at your poop.
So one put money in the palm of them want arguing. Sometimes I wonder if my want bird.
I'm not gonna fight, so.
And your sister be.
Come on, man. Alright.
And she dropped me. You never see that? Me ever get wrong all of me right? Lord Jesus.
Alright, you're right.
Lord have mercy.
You're right.
Me right, me know me right.
I should like, oh, you mean for my family.
No, me not glad me meet she.
But I want to meet for your family. Oh, you not care I'm going to meet your mother?
I meet me sit me. Oh, I meet me auntie and my mother.
Yeah, I want to meet them.
You want to meet them?
Yeah.
Alright. So later, I can go back there the man.
Yeah.
So now we are going to do? Later we are going to bed. I put on nice clothes. I go meet my mother and my auntie.
Alright.
Where you want to meet them so?
Because two way meet for my family there, man. No matter how serious now, we're living. Yeah, my sister there. You know where I become a little family, so I want to meet your family too.
That's not love, you know.
Alright.
And then we all create family of our own.
Yes.
You want family?
Yes.
You sure?
Sure.
Not really like I want one family.
Really like.
Like you born?
Yes, I'm really from Eastern.
You know not what you want to.
You know, I'm surprised you.
What kind of surprise? Tell me what the
You
surprise.
can't do it, you have to go that way.
May I go to the over?
No, the surprise is not go. Come on. Let me show you.
No, I want the twins.
No man, go. It's surprise out there man.
But no, I want some of the banana now.
When you come back,
Every time I sit down right there. So. Sis, what we gonna eat for dinner? Listen now, what we gonna eat for dinner? Nah, talk to me now. Crystal. Here. Mother young girl. What we gonna eat for dinner tonight, Crystal?
You talk
to me? Actually, me did play music, man. So you say, what we gonna eat tonight? What we gonna eat? I don't want nothing to eat.
How you not hungry and you ever hungry? What you want?
Me alright. Me did plan say me go down to Burger King later. Me no want nothing to eat right now. Somebody will come pick me up.
You have to get Burger King for me too.
Somebody will come pick me up and me want to go Burger King tonight. Me tired for food sometime, you know. Plus I want burger for eat. Yeah, me buy one for you.
You gotta get meal for me. Want a number 7.
Number 7, okay.
Large.
Large.
I'm gonna want vanilla ice cream with it. Vanilla milkshake. But you know how the milkshake thick, so it come in like ice cream, so I'll get me 1 spoon too. Please and thanks. Thank you. Yeah man, when you go for it. And then my phone for come for you if I go get the food, come hungry.
Anyway. You know what I'm saying? One man tell me say I go buy 1 ticket for me, so I go to Bahamas for 1 little work. I mash 1 little works. So I go off it go for a couple weeks. But I send some money come give you. You see money when I send come give you, you need to put it down carefully.
Yeah man.
You understand? Do not use it.
No man.
When time I start work, I make sure tell you what you have to do with the money. I want you to buy a piece of land and put on your rest. When I come back, start building.
Of course, man, you know the right person this. Me just send the money, come on, me will look after it for you.
Alright.
Why sis, things are move up for way. Where you have Auntie, mommy. Hey. What is not this?
I'm gonna meet my lovely boyfriend, the love of my life. This is my auntie Crystal, and this is my mommy Charmaine.
Hello.
Papa Jesus, if you're not busy, come down here so come help me. And this a dirty foot boy, you make the come carry news to Thuga every time. Eh? To your cousin.
Auntie, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Just because you move out of here, just remember who is the auntie and the mother. You are still the picnic. Lower it down a few decibels and talk to your auntie and pre properly. Because me a boxer, you know.
Nobody a boxer.
Me a boxer.
Never say she adult, no. Nobody a boxer.
Adult, she can take some adult box then.
Sit down.
Know your place.
Old people box then.
Know your place.
Hello, have manners to your mother.
Go.
See me family, madam. I said you want to meet them. See them. Come on, time to go back home.
Hold on, may I say something to say? Miss Crystal, Miss Charmaine, right?
No call me name drunk, I don't know you. But you come there with me niece and I walk in at my place to say me know you. Not even ask me if you can come in here, come tap in with a big old dirty foot boy. And then my boy I catch crab a bush. I be a mosquito and carry in my place. Come on!
Auntie, you can't shut up.
Hi, me don't know any about that again. Next time.
Come on.
Next time. Me go wash him out for you now.
Very important. Miss Charmaine.
What you want?
Miss Charmaine.
Hurry up and talk and come out.
I all want to show me respect. You see your lovely daughter who you carry come out this world. More you push up in your head where you come from. And burn him back again because you have no sense.
What is?
So what is that, Jesus?
I carry me back home.
Lord God. I said, no, me no need it no more, God.
Oh.
Can't run joking, man. Call me back home.
You know no shit.
What you say?
So how you carry me back home and me not carry me back? You blind? Say to me.
Girl, yeah, you only act like you idiot, but you're not idiot. If you need to carry your bag, you don't know, say yeah, they are coming.
How? Okay. So like you care about going on.
Okay.
One here.
No, take her with you. Me no want.
No,
Don't
come out
leave
of the
her here.
place.
Don't leave her here.
No, we are.
No, she a big woman. I know you tell me say she a big woman.
We are
Like she go along with him. No, don't stop her. See she a big woman. And him bring her back to her. Why my belly? So what, Miss Big One? What happened, Miss Big One? That is too big for the yard.
The man is my problem. I'm gonna move it back.
No.
Again.
No.
Me just remember say me have your stuff to contact. Me not bother about it.
No, you don't know something
No,
outside.
listen, wipe up them tears there. You a balfin man when I want you. You hear that, girl? You a balfin man when I want you.
Me not bother again, auntie. You say me love you. You're my favorite auntie.
Let me go, cause you feel have sense.
And anyway, so we come back home.
No. You can't jump out of vexation and then come in a happiness so quick. I want you. I know your man that.
Tell me do at the yard.
What you do?
It's me at the yard, auntie. I live like me a queen. I don't do nothing. I just lie down and cock up.
So me here.
One day now, me over there. This girl combo. Where Davide? And I say, oh she not dark. So me go in my house for a buckle for a pot of water and dash in her face.
In dirty water when me ear say you wash up plate. You wash up your plate them from when and save up the dirty water there.
Yes.
And you touch up on the girl, what she do to you?
She didn't she come and
She asked you, Davy?
Yes, I
And
didn't.
the same one we had tell Thuga said she must do something.
If you find out, say, I'm sister.
You know shame.
You go to jail.
I'm move back in now. Anyways, go lie down and sleep.
Which part moving? Go get your bag moving where? After you cuss me.
moving in.
Which part? Well, go wash up then.
Hello.
Go wash up
Me tell
then.
you something. You see, no mother. Me and your sister, but me go tell you about some mother. And you are one of them. You see, anytime no children them in a problem with man a road and man put them out, either them come back off of their own or the man carry them back, or no run them out. So then figure up on road. You want 1 million man to
I so spoiled picnic day in the world.
So you put your daughter out the door?
Me put her out in the first place.
Me know, but you tell her so she can't stay here, so that means you want she go out
So
now.
she can pick me up and dash me when she ready.
No,
No, mommy.
Go and go lie down and stay.
So,
No, mommy.
here what?
Mama,
No
say
problem.
never
Go and go lie down. Your response.
No,
When them a cuss and I come
response.
back and I come back and I carry go bring come, they go send them straight to you. Saturday nights, you know how much news we hear about you since
Me
you
no
gone.
business.
Your responsibility.
No problem.
Me no
I don't
business.
say.
You talk too much when me know where you get your mouth from.
But me I warn you, sis. She rank with me, I go kill it. Because me bring it into the world and we will take it out to the world.
You see, you something wrong with you. You're mad.
Something, yes, me mad. She
loco.
mad me. She mad me. The two of them mad me.
You loco.
Make she rank with me since it's your responsibility.
Bipolar,
Make
you.
she rank with me and see what me do. The same, what him say me for do? The same pump me come from, the same pump me I go put you back. Oh, watch out. Rank with me again.
Why you not go
Rank with me again.
Little.
Rank with me again. Me wash out your mouth.
Jesus Christ, my family.
Auntie, why you talk to me? Say, take me your size.
That. No, but hey.
How you feel like? Lie down.
Hey.
One more.
Not me wrong.
Oh, Todd, if look, no, make it
Hey.
Oh, Todd, you get too bright and too red now, man.
You're lucky she do that. Come ready for wash your mouth. Oh.
Reach the end of the movie, big up on yourself. Watch the movie come so far, you know you go. Yeah, if you enjoy it, drop a honest comment down in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for me, please. You see me? Yeah, and as I said before, big up Popeye. Cause I don't know me there on 1 foot, we can't move around too much. You see me then, so I have to keep my foot high if it's swelling go down, so that may I rep on, you see me? So big up on yourself. Remember, contact the number up on the screen. If you don't have anything you want, you can send across and do that to me, you see me? Big up on yourself.